Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends, viewers, and family members will be fine and good. God bless you. Ameen. So, dear friends, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Garden Cress. I'm very thankful to you for subscribing my channel, watching my previous videos, and also thanks to connecting with me and supporting me. Dear friend, these channels created for those people who love gardens and interested to fascinate your garden. So today I'm going to introducing you most amazing 50 plus garden bird feeders designs and ideas. In this video you can see 50 plus awesome bird feeders ideas that will inspire your garden. I hope you will ever like these ideas. If you like these ideas, then friends encourage me and vote me by subscribing my channel, by liking my video and sharing my video with friends and family members. Dear friends, you know my all previous videos related to gardens. In this video you can see beautiful wooden and gorgeous garden bird feeders designs and ideas. So please support my channel, please like and share my video with friends and family members because my videos are some of my best resources and definitely you will ever like this. So this bird feeder is made to feed all types of birds. You can hang it is in your outdoor lawn, porch, balcony and terrace. Especially these beautiful and gorgeous bird feeder are for garden. Lovely over these designs will create a large bird feeder and will easily hold a gallon of bird seed. So simple in design and easy to clean, these feeder would suit an urban garden with less space, a balcony or roof terrace perhaps. Dear friends, in this video you can see beautiful and simple bird feeder designs can attract one or two birds, but a bird feeder will attract a variety of them. So please like and share my video with friends and family members and please support my channel. In this video you can see beautiful and different bird feeders you can make with your own garden grown up. You can see bottle, wooden, metal and teacup and teapot feeder designs for birds. Maybe you have never seen these beautiful and gorgeous designs of bird feeders. So in this video you can see 50 plus winsome and splendid designs of garden bird feeders. Dear friends, getting the right bird feeder can complete your wild bird garden, creating a central feature while keeping everything neat and clean in one of these beautiful feeders. So please support my channel, please subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive new and latest updates related to gardens. Be connected with me, don't forget press the bell icon. I will meet you in my next video, inshallah. I will bring a lot of amazing designs and try of gardens for you. So dear friends, take care. Allah Hafiz. Allah bless you. Ameen.